A man just passed by me with his shirt up and he had abs, so that definitely didn't make me feel good about myself. Hey, it's me. I'm hiking. I'm tired of being fat, so I'm alone. Because I have no friends. No, I'm just kidding. But, yeah, this is where I feel like I'm in British Terabithia. So it's hot as fuck in Texas. Like, hot as... No, it's hot. I'm really over it. I'm over it. I'm ready to move. Graduating college is stressful. I have 1 year left. Hopefully I'm gonna graduate next summer. And I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'd like to just leave. Texas just isn't my vibe. Never has been, never will be. Anyways, I look good. Hold on, let me take some pics. This trail has changed. Honestly, I'm a little scared to get killed out here. So, I don't know if I can do this because I'm obviously not an avid hiker. I did not prepare for this. I'm being eaten alive by mosquitoes. Oh, bitch. And I'm too much of a diva for the wilderness. I really am. But look at this. It's beautiful. But yeah, I don't know how much more I'm gonna make it because I'm literally like they're sucking the fucking blood out of me. Like I just can't. I'm leaving. I swallowed a fucking bug. Like when I tell you I swallowed a bug. Literally one of my worst fears. Oh my god, hot guy. Sorry, hot guy with a cute dog. But when I tell you, like literally one of my worst fears. Think about it all the time. I think about it all the time. Have y'all seen Monsters Inside Me? That shit. Like, bitch, if that bug lays eggs in me, I'm offing myself. I'm coming more prepared than next time. No, I'm not doing this. Never again. A bug just flew up my nose. Well, that was definitely like top 5 worst experiences of my life.
The voltage is normal.
Oh.
Bluetooth disconnect.
Yeah, that was a failure. I think that lasted like 5 to 10 minutes, 10 minutes tops. But it was a good experience. At least I could say I went hiking. I mean, I've done it before, but that was just like awful. Maybe I'll try somewhere else, but that ain't it. But yeah, that's been my vlog. I don't know if I might just make this into like I went hiking vlog. It'll be like super short, but thanks for coming along on this traumatic experience with me. I have PTSD now. And I'll talk to you bitches later. Bye.